Okay, welcome to Lab 1, upgrading to Windows 7. We're currently working on the Windows 7 configuration lab manual, part of the Microsoft official academic course in preparation for exam 70-680. This video is going to walk through Lab 1, upgrading to Windows 7, including Exercise 1, running the Upgrade Advisor. And if time permits, I might get to upgrading Windows Vista to Windows 7, or I may have to make this a separate lab. We'll see how that goes. So let's get started. So we're going to go to page 2, which is where this lab starts. So we're going to turn on our Vista Station, which I've already done and I've already logged in. Instead of going to the RWDC to pull this file, I've created a DVD with this file already located on it because I'm having a problem with the Vista seeing the internal switch that I created. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to minimize this, go here. So I put this onto a DVD. So here is my Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor. And I'm just going to double click that and close this. And then continue. And then accept. And then install. So according to this, you have successfully installed Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor. You can run Windows 7 Upgrade Advisor from the Start menu or your desktop. And there are a couple of questions here. According to the Upgrade Advisor, is your workstation capable of running Windows Vista? Let's go ahead and click on Close and run the Windows Vista, Windows 7 Upgrade. Continue. And then Start Check. Okay, let's try this from here. So I'm going to copy this, Control-C, to my C drive, New, Folder, Software, Control-V. I'll go ahead and copy the other files while I have them. Okay, so since that has to go through a server, I went ahead and I changed my media. I attached my Windows 7 Enterprise ISO and attached it here, so that's what this is. And I just went ahead and I ran it. So I'm going to go and click on Install Now. I probably could check for compatibility, but I know it's going to install. Alright, so we're going to do an upgrade and then go from there. And I'm going to pause the video while I wait for this to do its install. Okay, so I've upgraded to Windows 7. Now it's asking me to put in a time, so I put in the Eastern time and clicked on Next. And we're going to go ahead and do a work network and let it finalize its settings. Okay, so the previous problem with Vista has now been corrected because now it sees something. There's not a complete X right here. So now what we do is I should be able to go into my Windows icon here, right click on the computer, go into Properties, select Change Settings, change here, select Domain, toso.com, and then OK. Now I'm still getting that Active Directory error. So I'm going to double check to make sure that the firewalls are still down. So I'm going to close this, go here, go into Control Panel, System and Security, Firewall, turn Windows Firewall on or off. I want to turn all these off, and then OK. And then close out of this, go my Windows folder, at least now it sees my live machine and it sees the RWDC. So now let's go ahead and left click here, right click on the computer, go into Properties, change settings, change domain, toso.com, and OK. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do it a different way. Okay, so we're going to do toso/administrator password, then OK. And now I'm connected with my RWDC. Okay, and that's going to end this lab. The next lab we're going to get into lab 2, which is migrating user profiles.